All right, I'm getting some Ys today. 4x4 Y. Those are working properly. A little bit of a leak over here. That's okay. Ah, it's not a leak. I put a hole there. Also got to make sure that this is the right length. I have about 10 centimeters. I'm going to cut this down to 10 centimeters. You want guys here? We're gonna go upwards.
Yeah.
As high as it can, right there. Up and all the way down. That's it.
Just like that, you don't want to go around?
Nope. On this one, go up all the way. Up and down. Okay. Up, okay.
Got scissors?
No, I got a knife. Open the knife right there.
Oh, these guys.
No, I have a knife under my gloves. Cut it right here on the top. Yes, it was in there though. Okay. Just nick it upwards. Not there, not there. That one's fine. This guy, just give it a little nick.
How much time we got?
We're good. Throw it in here. Okay. Open it up. Okay. Yeah.
There's two over there.
Yeah, but help me with the door. Hold on. Don't close the door on me. Hold on. On the camera. The cord. Hit the What do you want to do first? Close it. Nope, I'm good. If I take this off. Hold on. I think it's fine now.
Up it in?
No. Come here. Okay. Wait, don't do anything. Put that on. It's on? Huh?
Yeah.
1 second. Don't do anything. Hold this. Okay, look. You're gonna be careful. I'm gonna start here. Okay? Now, keep in mind, the camera, can you pick the camera up a tiny bit?
Hold on a second.
Okay. Now I know exactly the pressure with this guy, it's about 7. Okay, so should be good. Went in really nicely. We'll see how it takes that 45. Has overlap over the roots over there. Now I'm holding this pressure about 0.7. I went in without feeling anything. Pretty good. We were doing some
Expectations?
experimentations on that one. I haven't done a 45 with fiberglass yet, so I wanted to see how that would look. They say it looks like crap, and it does. So we're gonna go. Anyways, the plan was to do a Y, and then over on top do another a patch to give it a good long coverage of the roofs. So we're gonna grind out the 45 and throw in a fiberglass patch. We gotta take a look at the repair. Let's throw it in. It's all about the repair. Gotta see what the end result is. Got the first one here, other one there. If you don't know what it looks like, ain't gonna help nobody. Throw it in down there. That's the first one. We had detached pipe over there we did yesterday. And that's a beautiful transition right here. It's at 90. You want to go fix the, clean the window? You gotta lick it. Alright, should be good. Cool. Oh, there we go. So you can see that's a beautiful repair. Alright, and going in. Well, let's go for today's work. This beautiful 4x4Y. We ended right by the...
Not just any Y.
Yep. Oh, someone threw some paper towels down there.
Talking about wasn't me.
Alright. Toilet's not attached, so let's pull it back a little bit so you get a good there we go. Beautiful transition going in. And you see it's packed out beautifully. Look how that Y came out. Absolutely beautiful Y. And then we did that second patch right there with the 45 over there. Of course, the video with the patch didn't come out. Let's take a look over here. The video, the preview on the camera works. See the preview, but you don't actually see the file.
Really weird.
Yeah, I wonder if we can recover it. So we're coming in over here. That's the patch we did to extend and go in. Basically, you have the 45 right here. We want to have a good overlap to make sure those roots can't come back in. And look at that transition right there to the Y. That is beautiful. Listen, there are good repairs and there are great repairs. And that one came out beyond expectations. That's fiberglass Y we did over there, junction, not the regular standard felt, right? Because of the roots. And we had that overlap over the 45, so you get a nice, you know, your target was the 40 centimeter overlap for the roots. Realistically, we got around there, maybe about 50. And we were trying out that 45. We really wanted to see how the fiberglass would take the 45. If you use the SAC Pro version, possibly with the pull rope, where you get a slow controlled inversion and it packs out, the arm packs out as you're inverting, maybe it will look differently. Yeah, all's good. Picture perfect.